Welcome to the weather forecast on the CIA TV channel. Dear friends, in today's forecast, we're breaking down what you need to know about the weather that will affect the UK over the next day. Storm Flores has made landfall, bringing unusually strong winds to the northern half of the country. The storm has been picked up by this very active jet stream as it rapidly strengthened last night and early this morning. And it's on the southern flank of the low-pressure area. You see a really tight constriction in the isobars showing where the strongest winds will be for much of today. It will eventually move north and east into parts of Scandinavia, with a high developing to the west. However, the dense isobars throughout much of Tuesday suggest it will still be a fairly windy day, although not as strong as Monday. Across western parts of Scotland we'll see the first peak of those winds, gusts here up to 80, 85, potentially reaching 90 miles an hour. And even across parts of Northern Ireland, Northern England, and the rest of Scotland, we could see gusts up to 80 miles an hour on the coast. The wind speeds peak and then shift to the northeast, so the north coast of Aberdeenshire sees a second peak, where we could again see gusts up to 80, 85, possibly even up to 90 miles an hour through Monday evening. And because these are the summer months, the trees are also coming out of leafing out, so that could lead to some localized flooding due to blocked drains. However, looking at the rest of Monday, it's starting to get very wet across Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland this morning. The heavy rain continues to move east, while another front continues to push southeast across the country. But across parts of western Scotland, we're really seeing the winds pick up this morning. As mentioned, we could see gusts of up to 80 miles an hour in some places. There could even be up to 100 millimeters of rain by the end of Monday across parts of western Scotland, so you could see some spray on the roads if you're traveling. As we get through the rest of Monday afternoon, this front continues to move south and east, so we'll see some light across parts of Wales, northern England, and parts of Northern Ireland. However, heavy rain continues across parts of northern Scotland, with some heavy showers, and possibly even a few rumbles of thunder here. With very strong northwesterly winds across the country, even the south, it's going to be quite windy, but it's also going to be quite mild. Quite muggy in the southeast if you're stuck under those clouds and rain. But further north, temperatures are near average, and it's going to feel really quite uncomfortable with those very strong west-northwesterly winds. As we get through the rest of Monday night, any rain we see in the far southeast will quickly move away from the coast, leaving some late sunshine across England and Wales through Monday. But further north, lots of heavy showers with strong winds, with some lingering rain across the far north of Scotland. But those winds are starting to gradually ease as we get into early Tuesday morning, although the day will still be very windy. And with that strong northwesterly wind, lots of showers will follow. However, with northwesterly winds across the country, it means that Monday night and early Tuesday will be a little cooler. Towns and cities will generally remain in the double digits, but some rural areas may dip a little lower. So it's a slightly cooler start to Monday than Monday. A bright start across England and Wales on Tuesday morning, with the best of the sunny weather likely to last here, but across the north and west we'll continue to see heavy showers accompanied by strong northwesterly winds across Northern Ireland, Northern England, and much of Scotland. And again, they could be very heavy, with hail and thunder. We will continuously update the storm situation in the next news. Please subscribe to the channel to follow. Thank you for watching the news on CIA TV channel.